In this video, I will show you how to run install APK files in Windows 11. Right, so for example, this is Cache of Glance, which can only, okay, so it can be installed in Windows, right? This is a new feature of Google Play, which is Google Beta. It allows some of the application where you can play on your laptop or PC, right? But for example, let's say I will just take a normal one. For example, this is chess.com. This is a mobile application. So if I just go and click on install on Windows, you can see here it's installing a setup, right? So I can download this game and play in my laptop. So this is a Google Play Store new feature where you can just go to the Google Play Store and here you can download it up. But there's a other option too, which can run any kind of APK or any kind of application on your system. This is called BlueStack, right? I use a BlueStack here. As you can see here, I personally use this application, right? And this is the app player, so it will open up and it will just give you almost how you use on your mobile phone, right? So let it open. Now here you can see I have installed some of the mobile application. For example, let's take this is my Tron wallet. So if I just double click on it, this application will open on my system, right? Same goes with the other option. For example, this is Grab here. If I just go and click on it here, the Grab will get open, right? I can just go back here and I have Google Play Store and I can just download any of the application. For example, let's take Snapchat. I can install it just like how I do it over my other smartphones. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe.